After CSE 2025 results, the toppers, they have openly claimed the role of AI in their preparation. Be it All India Rank 13 Ananya Sharma, AIR 25 Bhavika Chopra, AIR 49 Tarun Yadav, and even many more. And they've said it at different forums, they've accepted the role of AI in their preparation and how it has helped them.
I took all those topics and I asked ChatGPT to categorize them. Right? So it told me that these are the particular categories, these are women-specific issues, these are related to environment, these are related to leadership, and then something related to happiness, joy, etc. And I put up those particular categories and I asked it to find many stories from Indian mythology, from Sufi stories, from Christianity, every religion and every other possible story. And it would tell me what the story is and it would tell me where it would possibly fit in.
चाहे वो प्रीलिम्स में हो, मेंस में हो, इंटरव्यू में हो, we all know AI is becoming a serious preparation tool for the aspirants. But ये कब helpful है? Only when it is used correctly. AI can help you create your one-pager notes. It can help you generate also value-added points. You can simplify your complex topics. You can prepare some of the examples of your essay, some case studies. You can structure the GS answers. You can connect the current affairs with the syllabus, main syllabus of yours. And this all will help you in preparing better and revising faster. This is where AI tools like ChatGPT, Perplexity, they are becoming extremely useful. But यहाँ पर एक सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम ये है कि most of the aspirants are using AI like Google. वो random सवाल पूछते हैं, they get some generic answers and इसके बाद they end up wasting more time instead of improving their preparation. AI will not help you just because you use it. It will help you only when you know what to ask, how to ask, and how to connect the output with the UPSC syllabus of yours, with the PYQs and with the answer writing. So to help you learn it the right way and to help you upgrade your level of preparation, LevelUp IAS is conducting a free UPSC workshop on how to use AI in your UPSC preparation. And this workshop is going to be conducted with All India Rank 49 Tarun Yadav himself. The workshop is on 18th of June at 12:30 p.m. If I talk about Tarun Yadav, so he's an IITian who did the majority of the preparation through self-study. So the last time when he visited to LevelUp IAS, he told us how AI has played a major role in his preparation, and this time he will not just be narrating his story. This time he will be helping you in building AI systems that will help you in your preparation. He will guide you how you can integrate AI in the preparation for your best output. So come and attend the session. It is going to be both in online and offline form. If you're attending the session in offline form, you are going to get some ready-made AI prompt templates also. The AI system template will help you in covering the syllabus linkage, in helping you in current affairs, for some value additions, for challenges and way forward, and probable questions for both prelims and mains. So if you are preparing for UPSC CSE 2026 mains also, which is going to happen in August, or if you're going to prepare for 2027, you should not miss this session because it is going to be very helpful. Register now because seats are genuinely limited for the session. The link is there in the description. See you all in the session on 18th of June. Thank you.